In this video, I'll be sharing where are the best places to park your money right now so that you can earn the highest possible return on your money, whether you are someone with a fixed income or without a fixed income. Not only that, I will also talk about what are the best promos that you can take advantage of to earn extra returns, as well as the best places to park your mid-term savings to lock in a high yield for the next few years. You can also find everything mentioned in this video in this super detailed spreadsheet. But before I start, do join my 9,000 members Telegram chat group to discuss or ask any questions that you may have. Alright, let's first talk about which are the best bank accounts to park your short-term savings if you have a monthly salary. The first account is the UOB1 account. So as long as you can credit a minimum salary of $1,600 and spend at least $500 on either the UOB1 card, UOB Ladies card or UOB Evo card, you can then earn a minimum of 3% interest up to an effective interest rate of 4%. Pro tip, their salary crediting criteria can be fulfilled by making a $1,600 pay now transfer with a transaction reference of SALA. Otherwise, you can also check out the OCBC 360 account. So, if you can credit at least $1,800 salary and increase your average daily balance by at least $500 every month, you already earn a 3.2% interest. Then, if you can spend a minimum of $500 on one of the eligible OCBC cards, you will earn another 0.6% interest, bringing it up to a total of 3.8% interest. But just in case you are wondering whether the pay now salary works on OCBC 360 or not, from what I know, it does not fully work. So try it at your own risk, yeah? So those were the two best bank accounts to use if you have a monthly salary. But if you are someone who doesn't have a fixed monthly salary, like a retiree, a freelancer, or a stay-at-home tai-tai, Maribank would be your next best choice. Right now, Maribank is giving a 2.7% interest without having you to fulfill any requirements. Though, this will only last till 31st December 2024. After which they'll probably come up with another new rate. But if you are someone who has $100,000 in savings, is able to make at least $30 spent on the auntie card, Trust card every month, and is an NTUC member, then Trust Bank would be the better choice, as you can get a slightly higher interest of 2.75%. Now, besides the usual savings interest, some of these savings accounts actually let you earn some bonus interest via their promotion. The first account is UOB1. Currently, it has two ongoing promotions, which lets you earn up to $1,660 worth of cash. The first promotion is called Nation of Savers, where you need to register your participation by 30th September 2024, deposit a minimum of $20,000 in new funds, and keep the funds there for at least 5 months. They count new funds as additional funds as compared to your June 2024 monthly average balance. So, for example, if in June you have $10,000 in UOB1, then you need to top up the balance to at least $30,000 in order to qualify for the promo. Besides that, they also have the UOB Salary Plus promotion, where you can register your participation before the deadline, fulfill their bill payment, dividend crediting, and salary crediting criteria. You will get up to $160 in cash. Moving on, the second account is the HSBC Everyday Global account. So every month, they will come out with some promotion to let you earn bonus interest. For example, in July, you get to earn up to 4.6% interest. To participate, all you need to do is send them an SMS before the deadline. You will then earn a 0.05% base interest on your account balance, a bonus 3.55% on incremental average daily balance as compared to the previous month, then another 1% interest on your incremental average daily balance if you can fulfill the Everyday Plus Rewards Program criteria, which is just to deposit at least $2,000 into the account, then make at least 5 eligible transactions, such as credit card spends, gyro bill payments, and fund transfers out to a non-HSBC account. Otherwise, you can also check out the CIMB Fast Saver account, which is giving a 3.5% promotional rate till the end of September 2024 when you deposit and maintain $5,000 in the account. Besides that, Standard Chartered's Bonus Saver has a $168 cashback promo, while Standard Chartered eSaver 3.55% interest promo when you fulfill their criteria. Okay, with so many promotions going on, which one should you go for? Okay, here's how I would do it. Since HSBC EGA is giving the highest interest of 4.6%, that would be our main focus. The strategy here is to first move all our fresh funds into HSBC EGA so that we can earn their 4.6% interest. Then in the next month, we can then move these fresh funds into either Standard Chartered e-saver accounts to earn their promotional interest, or OCBC 360 accounts to earn their bonus 1.2% interest, or CIMB Fast Saver to earn their promotional interest. Or if you're okay with locking up your money for 5 months, you can move it into UOB1 accounts to qualify for the Nation of Savers promo and earn up to $1,500 in cash. Then, once that is over, since HSBC EGA balance is now so-called resetted, you can then repeat the whole process again by moving the fresh funds back into HSBC EGA to earn their bonus interest. Otherwise, if you have any leftover funds, you can also take part in the Standard Chartered Bonus Saver account promo to earn up to $168. Quick pause. If you are looking to trade options, you can check out Webull. Webull charges a low fee of just 55 cents per contract and 0 platform fees, which is cheaper than many of the other brokers out there. Besides that, Webull also lets you streamline the options trading process by having a whole corner of app dedicated to options. For example, there's option statistics and probability analysis tools, where you'll be able to view data such as volume distribution, volume analysis to help you better analyze your probability of success even before making a trade. There's also the Zero DTE Options Center, where you'll be able to easily track net premium trends of long and short option contracts to quickly locate investment opportunities. Right now, Webull is running an options trading promo, where both new and existing users will get to enjoy US options free commission whenever you trade a minimum of 100 option contracts monthly. In Webull's latest welcome promo, if you use my exclusive link to sign up, fund, and trade, and fulfill the respective criteria, you'll be eligible to get up to $400 cash vouchers. You can also get up to 7% per annum yield for USD Money Bull when you fund a cap of $100,000 for up to 90 days, where you can potentially untap a yield of $1,750. This promotion is eligible for new users only. Otherwise, if you are an existing user who has not transferred any shares into Webull before, you can take part in the Transfer In promo, where you can get anywhere between $50 to $1,500 trading vouchers when you fulfill the requirements. So if you are interested in taking your investing to the next level, do sign up to Webull using my link down below. Alright, let's get back to the video. Now, if you find all these criteria hard to fulfill, or if you are just lazy to move your money here, move your money there every other month, an alternative is to check out cash management accounts. Essentially, cash management accounts lets you earn a return by investing your money in money market funds, as well as bond funds. So the keyword here is investing, which means your money is not capital guaranteed, the returns are not fixed, and is not SDIC insured. But looking at the historical performance, I would say that most of the time, you can expect them to be pretty stable and pretty low risk. But low risk doesn't mean no risk, yeah? So you will need to be comfortable with the risk before using them, yeah? Here, there are a whole bunch of cash management accounts that you can park your money in. But right now, the most attractive option is Chocolate Finance. That's because they are giving a 4.2% fixed return on up to 20k till the end of the year. Plus, they let you instantly withdraw up to 20k within a day. So your cash is pretty liquid. I have an entire video talking about them, which you can check out if you are interested. Otherwise, your next best choice is cash management accounts by those animal brokers, aka Mumu, Tiger Brokers, and Webull. Safe Cash Plus Flexi, as well as Wise, which are all giving around 3.6 to 3.8% return. Though, among them, Wise lets you withdraw your funds instantly, while the others require you to wait for 1 to 3 days before you can get back your money. Then, you might ask, what about the options that are giving more than 4% return, such as Endeavour's Cash Smart Ultra, StashAway Simple Plus, and UOBAM Cash Plus Extra? Unlike the previous options which have very low volatility, options that give more than 4% return have higher volatility. This means these options are only suitable to park your mid-term savings that you only need within the next 1 to 5 years, such as your wedding next year, home down payment 2 years later, or your holiday trip next year. In that case, you can then park your funds into these platforms to earn a slightly higher return. But again, just take note that all of them are investments and hence comes with some risk. So if you are not okay with the risk, you can then look at the no risk, slightly lower return options. First, SSB, which is currently giving a 3.22% 10-year average return. Pro tip, you can check out a website called I Love SSB, which lets you project next month's SSB use and calculate whether you should swap out your old SSB for a new SSB or not. The second option are Singapore T-bills and SGS bonds. The latest T-bill had a cut-off yield of 3.7%, while the latest 5-year SGS bond in June had a cut-off yield of 3.22%. Again, do check out ilovessb.com for more details. Then finally, the third option is bank fixed deposits. For this, you can check out sgft.newcities.org to look for the best FD rates. Currently, the highest rate is 3.5% offered by the Bank of China. Otherwise, you can also check out Safe Cash Plus Guaranteed or Stash Away Simple Guaranteed, which are giving around 3.3 to 3.75% by investing your money in bank fixed deposits. Though, this comes with a little more risk since you are going through a third party to invest in bank fixed deposits. So these are the best places that you can park your money now. Anyway, that's all for this video. Hopefully, you found it useful. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.